today we're in the kitchen, guys, and I'm gonna be cooking up some brown stew snapper. I got these red snapper from my what do you call it now, place that sell fish and crab and those things, whatever it's called. So I'm just gonna get into the brown stewing of these lovely fishes. So I just add some oil to the pot. We're just gonna make this heat up, and I'm gonna burn some scallion in the oil just for a little flavoring. And yeah, we're gonna continue with this brown stew fish. So the oil is burning now. Let's add the oil, the onion, the scallion or green onion, whatever you call it. We call it scallion in Jamaica. I'm just burning it in the oil right now. So as soon as it heats up and it's all burnt out, then I'm gonna scoop it out with a fork, and then I'm gonna put the fish in there as soon as I know that it is hot enough. Because if you do not wait for the oil to heat up properly, like hot, and you put the fish in, that fish is gonna stick to the bottom of the pot and it's gonna just crumble when you try to turn it on the other side. So you have to keep that in mind, that you have to make the oil as hot as possible to prevent that. Okay, so the fish is added to the oil, and you see it's frying up. That's the way it's supposed to be looking, frying and popping. That's so you know it's really hot. Okay, or else, yeah. My vegetables are prepped. I have some garlic, green onion, onion, red and orange bell pepper. So that's what we're gonna be using as our veggies. Okay, so guys, I finished frying the fish. They're over here, and I'm making the sauce now, so I can put the fish in. So I just add some ketchup to the pot. So I'm just stirring it out, and I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. That's the ketchup. This will help to thicken the sauce. And then I'm gonna add some browning. Don't know, have to use the Jamaican stuff. Can't leave them out. With a yard or broad, we cook with the best. Add some browning. I don't want to add too much, so add a little, and then see. You don't know, it can't be brown stew without browning. And just stir that in. Stir that in. Yes, right, that's so. Yes. And I'm also gonna add, this is a Jamaican product, 2 Eaton's rum barbecue sauce. I found this at my local Caribbean store, and trust me, I'm in love with it. It tastes so good, believe me. Bad. Put it on your jerk wings or your jerk chicken, and you make a sauce with it and put the chicken in there. Bad. And next thing we are gonna add, I don't know, Jamaican again, good old Walker's wood, Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, you can't cook without this fish without Scotch bonnet pepper. You have to add the heat and the flavor. Nice. Walker's wood. You better send me some stone pepper, you know, because you know pepper mad. So we just stirring everything so nothing not stick to the bottom of the pot. Gravy looking brown and sumptuous and so. Look good, smell good. So this is what the pot is looking like, guys. Wish I could have smelled it through the phone, but it smells so good. It just not only look good, but smell good. So I'm gonna leave this to simmer for about 15 minutes or so, and then I'll come back. So over here we have some rice going. I didn't want to cook rice because of my health journey that I'm on. However, I bought broccoli and I could have swear I picked up some green beans, but I didn't, so I end up gonna have to eat some rice, but I'm gonna eat it. You can eat rice, but it's in moderation. As with anything you're doing, moderation is key, but you can still eat rice. I'm just gonna have like 2 spoonfuls of rice with the fish. So the fish is going over here. I shut it down so it can stay there and steam for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna take the cover off. Okay, yeah, and I like to add a lot of butter to my rice. I like that buttery taste that it has when you cook it with a lot of butter, even though a lot of butter ain't good, but sis, I like it that way. However, I bought broccoli. The rice is over here, steam and looking good. I'm about to share my, and this is it, guys, finished product of my brown stew chicken. My husband doesn't eat the head of the fish, so I had to take the head off because he's American, he's not Jamaican, so you don't know, they don't like, most of them, they don't eat fish with head, so I had to take the head off the fish. So guys, this is what it's looking like. So tell me how I did. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And then the food couldn't be complete without the pear. This is what the finished food is looking like. You know, it wouldn't be complete without the pear. I got my pear from my Caribbean store, my Jamaican store, and this is what the brown stew fish is looking like. I took the head off because my husband doesn't eat the head of the fish, so yep, that's what it's looking like. And some rice over there. So yeah, tell me how I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Try it at home and tell me what you think, guys. It smells so good and it tastes so good. I wish you could smell it and taste it through the phone, but don't worry, one day you get to taste it when restaurant launch.